Today we're talking about the 5 things you need to make a professional live stream video. It all starts with a run of show, which is basically the instructions on how a show should go from start to finish. Now, the first thing you'll need is a live show script. These are the instructions from beginning to end on how the show will operate. It usually has technical language and may use code names to abbreviate the actions that need to happen. The hosts, talent, graphics, segment assets, cameras, sequences, cuts, and more are included in this script. The best way to learn how to write a show is to watch shows you like and write down the actions. When you write down those show outlines, you learn a lot about format, story structure, scene, and cadence. Break your script down into 3 acts, and within those 3 acts, create a set of sequences, about 3 to 8 sequences, and any additional key moments in the outline, like the intro or outro or anything else. And all these key moments help explain to everyone involved about what is going on in the script at the right moment and the right time. If you look at it this way, those live show sequences are short stories. Think of each sequence as a story that needs an opposing force, a beginning, a middle, and an end, which all builds to a climax and resolution. These sequences can be anything, so have fun, come up with anything. Try to keep your audience engaged. Also try to work in good audience engagement. Look at chat, talk to people, know what's going on with the people that are watching you right now. It's all part of the engagement philosophy within a live show. You can also use tools or bots or giveaways or contests that drives more engagement within your chat and on your live stream. Live show assets are graphics you'll need for the stream and maybe even some to market your stream. For the live stream, these graphics are typically called overlays, banners, motion graphics, or lower thirds. Those graphics can help tell the story and help your run of show to keep your audience engaged from start to finish so viewers can visually see what's going on and what's coming up next. These assets really help to add production value and bring a whole other layer to audience engagement by highlighting important information. Once you've created these assets, you'll be able to quickly modify and update them for future streams. Now, before the show goes live, you need to make sure you share your run of show and instructions with the host or talent or guests. If done right and early enough, this gives time for everyone to know what's going on, as well as give important feedback for the day of the live show. So make sure you meet with your talent, your host, or your guest and run through the run of show, preferably a few days ahead of time or a week in advance. If you are the host or there's someone else who is the host or talent, make sure you give them the run of show in advance so they know what's going on for the show that they're leading. This information should include the run of show, the rundown, any graphics, any assets, pronunciation of guests, names, and any other important information the talent should know. Lastly, if you're doing a production with a team and not just a live stream by yourself, the team really should consist of a producer, a director, and even a technical director. The producer is responsible for the overall content and flow of the show. The director is responsible for the visuals and the camera work. And the technical director is responsible for the technical aspects like audio and graphics. Following these simple steps for a live stream with a show will put you well on your way to creating a professional and great looking live stream. Thanks.